We are gonna have some fun with this 53-inch hair. I am away on business at the moment, and I just thought it would be nice to share this clip with you. This hair is absolutely amazing. I have never seen hair this long in raw virgin hair. The lady that grew this hair, she had grown it right from birth. Can you imagine never cutting your hair and keeping it to this quality and this length? And she grew it right from birth, like I said. It was a great honor to receive this hair. Don't worry, she has been well taken care of. Let's have some fun. How old do you think she is? Let me know in the comment section below. And my other question is, would you ever wear hair this long? I know what my answer is, but I'd like to hear yours. If you want to see more of our factory visits, you can watch this playlist over here, and I'll see you there.